Welcome to MS PowerMail's newly upgraded CRM. Once logging in, the first screen, the home page, will show you two charts. The first is a bar chart with the green bar showing how many pieces have been mailed during the month, and a blue bar showing how many leads have been returned during the month. Beside that is a pie chart with a quick visual overview of where each lead stands in the sales process. It could be received, appointment made, contacted, the oh so wonderful sold, and in process. Below the charts is the list of leads. The list of leads can be easily exported or printed just from the top right of the list. You can also add a new lead. Simply fill out this information and a new row will be created on the lead list. There is a lot of functionality for each of the leads that can be found on the right-hand side of each lead. The drop-down menu gives you the ability to view a lead. This is the information. A lead that's been returned by mail will have the name, address, city, state, and zip automatically populated. You can also see the notes on the leads. This agent we have sent a follow-up letter to. We can update the status and the stage. These are just two steps to show an agent where the lead is in their sales process. We can add an appointment. We'll come back to that in just a moment. We can view the note history. As we saw earlier, we've sent a follow-up letter to Marion. We can view the lead image. Now, Marion will not have a lead image because we can tell by the source that she was created from the map and did not return the mailer. We can send an email directly to her. And this will come from the agent's email that is set up under the user settings. There we go. Marion has received an email. We can also send Marion a follow-up letter. Let's go ahead and let you see how this works. The letters themselves will say, I'm sorry I've not been able to reach you. Here's my information. Here's my name. Here's my phone number. Here's my email address. It's another way to get in front of a person who's already responded by mail. Okay, so that's the home page. From the system, you can also run data counts to find how many available records there are in an area. This is very straightforward. It's very simple. You name it, put a date. We do have the option for a 60-day suppression on all agents, that everybody who's ordered in the system, and also 180 days if a person just doesn't want to reach the records they've already got to over the last 6 months. So you tell it where you want to run the count and the demographic of the people you're trying to reach. The next feature of our CRM is the lead mapping. This is where we will map out an entire order. It's not just the people who are leads, it's everyone. So as you can see, we need to zoom in a little bit to get to the data. Red flags are the people who were mailed but have not responded yet. Blue flags are the people who have responded. So from the flag, you can click on it, you can view the image, or you can mark it as visited, with the goal of your whole list being visited and therefore a green flag. Now from the home page, we skipped over the add an appointment. This is a very simple and great way to organize information. So let's say we have an appointment with Marion. Well, let's make it for the 12th at 1:30 p.m. And we need to call her. Okay, so now when we go to our calendar, we now see that we need to call Marion on the 12th. When we click on the blue bar, it gives us all the information that we need to make that appointment. One of the newest features of our system is the ability to sync this calendar with outside calendars. We currently have, let's sync to our Gmail account. Now I've already gone through setting this up. Do we want to see the log? Sure, let's take a quick look. These are all the items that have been sent to our Gmail calendar. So now that we've synced our items to our Gmail calendar, when I open it up, I now see that I need to call Marion at 1:30 on the 12th. Our lead management CRM also has a library. For anyone using our system, these are the cards that have been saved for them to view and choose from. As we were talking about the follow-up letters earlier, this is where you find those. If you're looking for the final expense cards, this is what's available. They are able to view these images to ensure they are sending the correct card for their message. The user settings is where a user sets up their outgoing email address so those emails to the person can come directly from them as opposed to from a system. We can filter all leads. This is a very handy feature. Let's say you have an agent that is in Indiana that is no longer working their area. So what you can do, here are all the leads that are in Indiana. We could have typed in the agent name here, by the way, and we can assign these to a different agent. We can assign everyone in this list to, and as an IMO who has a cost sharing program with their agents, this is where you have access to these leads and could easily move them to a new agent. Once you've moved them, the other agent logs into their system under their username and password and will be able to see all the new leads you've sent them. Another new feature of our lead management CRM is the ability to import lead data. Simply click the Start Import, upload a file. These can be CSV or Excel spreadsheets. And the system will allow you to confirm that each one is what it's supposed to be. The full name is the full name, the address matches the address, and so on. It also gives you a second step to review. This will allow you to be sure you're not putting an email address in the zip code. We've already submitted this file, so I'm going to say no at the moment. But this is a great way to import telemarketing leads, referrals, current customers, past customers, leads from many different sources. That's a quick overview of an agent side of the lead management CRM we've built. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.